even for academically successful students like you. College is completely different from high school. Many of the strategies that allowed you to become successful in high school simply do not work in college. So you will have to develop new strategies. Even in the presence of new strategies, college can become overwhelming at times. Fortunately, there are a variety of resources and opportunities that you can access to prevent yourself from becoming overwhelmed and to manage and overcome those times when you do become overwhelmed. They all pertain to managing your time. Although it may feel like it at times, you will not be alone at college. You will be surrounded by an academic support team, campus resources, and written resources that will be available to assist you with any situation, difficulty, or concern you may encounter. But it will be up to you to manage your time so that you can access those resources when you need them. Your academic support team consists of your academic advisor, the professor of each of your classes, and the teaching assistant in each of your classes. Each of those people will have the knowledge, experience, and resources to assist you with any academic issue you confront, either by helping you directly or by referring you to the appropriate campus resource. But it will be solely up to you to ask for their help when you need it. You should plan to meet with your academic advisor early in the fall quarter or semester to introduce yourself and to begin to establish a relationship with them. After the initial meeting, you should plan to meet with them at least once per quarter or semester until you graduate. There are also multiple campus resources available to you, just by virtue of paying your tuition. There likely is a student health center to address all your healthcare needs and concerns. There likely is a student counseling center to address all your mental health needs and concerns. There likely is a student recreation center to address all your physical fitness and recreation needs. There are also financial and community resources to address your needs and concerns in those areas. Equally important, there likely is a student writing center to offer you assistance and consultations on your writing assignments. Tutoring services are likely available in every subject to assist you, regardless of whether you are struggling in a course or whether you want to raise your B+ grade to an A- grade. There likely is a career services center to offer you assistance with writing your resume, finding a part-time job, finding an internship, and/or exploring career options and opportunities. There are likely a variety of other resources to address any other need or concern you may have while you are in college. It will be to your advantage to become familiar with the campus resources that exist and, more importantly, to access them as soon as you have a need. The sooner you become aware of the various campus resources that exist at your college, the more prepared you will be to access them when you need them.